Tracking your health shouldn't break the bank. So let's find the best, budget-friendly blood pressure monitors for 2026. First up, we have a versatile home monitoring kit that ensures a perfect fit for every family member. This set solves the common frustration of one size fits none by including both a standard and an extra large cuff right in the box. You're getting massive 2x120 memory storage, which is ideal if you and a partner both need to track trends over time. I love that it offers dual power options, meaning you can use the included AA batteries for portability or the DC cable for stationary use. This is the perfect choice for households where multiple people with different arm sizes need reliable, daily tracking. Picture yourself setting this up on your nightstand and never worrying about battery life because you're plugged directly into the wall for consistent power. Next, at number 2, we're looking at a specialized solution for those who already own a monitor but need a significantly better fit. This XXXL replacement cuff solves the struggle of standard bands being too tight or inaccurate on larger arms by offering a massive 9 to 26-inch range. It features durable nylon fabric and a TPU airbag designed for both comfort and longevity during repeated use. The real standout is the inclusion of 7 different connectors, making it compatible with almost any major brand like Omron. This is a must-buy for bodybuilders or anyone who finds standard medical equipment restrictive and uncomfortable. Simply swap your old connector for one of the provided adapters, and finally get a painless, accurate reading every single morning without the pinching. Now for number 3, let's talk about a universal upgrade that prioritizes both size and comfort for your existing setup. This extra-large cuff is specifically designed for automatic upper arm monitors and accommodates arm circumferences from 9 to 21 inches. It solves the problem of inaccurate readings caused by poorly fitting bands, while using a soft, skin-friendly material that won't irritate your arm. If you've found that standard cuffs are too stiff or difficult to wrap solo, this adjustable design makes the process much smoother. It's the ideal pick for seniors or anyone who wants a more comfortable, medical-grade experience at home. Just slide it on, adjust the Velcro, and enjoy a gentle inflation process that doesn't sacrifice precision for your daily health logs or doctor reports. Coming in at number 4 is the most portable option on our list, designed specifically for health tracking on the move. This automatic wrist monitor eliminates the need to roll up your sleeves, making it perfect for quick checks at work or while traveling. It features a memory system that stores 90 readings for 2 different users, helping you keep a detailed log for your physician. The adjustable wrist cuff is designed to be snug yet gentle, fitting most adults comfortably while maintaining high accuracy. This is the best choice for busy professionals or frequent flyers who need a lightweight device that fits easily into a carry-on bag. Imagine being able to discreetly monitor your vitals during a lunch break using the included hard-shell carrying case for maximum protection. Check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these monitors. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest health tech reviews. Comment below and let me know which one you're picking up or what gadget you want me to test next. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.